Hi, everyone. Welcome to our English Basics lesson. Today, we're going to learn some important vocabulary. My name is Erica, and I'm excited to be your guide on this journey. Let's get started. Greetings are a fundamental part of communication, and they help us connect with others. Whether you're meeting someone for the first time, catching up with a friend, or simply passing by a neighbor, knowing how to greet people appropriately is essential. In this lesson, we'll explore different types of greetings that you can use at any time of the day and in various situations. These greetings are versatile and will help you feel more confident in your interactions. There are 4 different types of greetings. General greetings. Time-specific greetings. Cultural variations and context. And situational greetings. General greetings. These greetings can be used at any time of the day and in various situations. Listen and practice. Hi. Hello. Hey. Hi is a simple and informal way to say hello, commonly used among friends and family. Hello is a neutral and slightly more formal version of hi, suitable for almost any situation. Hey is another informal greeting, often used among close friends or peers. Time-specific greetings are an essential part of communication, and knowing how to use them based on the time of day can make your interactions more natural and polite. Here are the time-specific greetings. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. When should we use these time-specific greetings? Good morning is used from early morning until around noon. Good afternoon is used from around noon until 5 to 6 p.m. Good evening is used from 5 to 6 p.m. until around bedtime. Good night is typically used when parting ways for the night or going to bed. Cultural variations and context. In some cultures, greetings involve physical actions like handshakes or bows. Handshake. Bow. Double greetings. In some cultures, people may say both hi and a time-specific greeting together. For example, hi, good morning, how are you? Situational greetings. Beyond time and general greetings, there are also situational greetings. Like, nice to meet you is used when meeting someone for the first time. How's it going is an informal way to ask someone how they are doing. What's up is also informal, often used among friends to ask what someone is doing or how they are doing. Now listen and practice.
Hi, Sarah. How are you?
Hi, Alice. I'm doing well. Thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. Thank you. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. What's up?
Just heading to the coffee shop. Do you want to join me?
Sure. By the way, good morning. How did you sleep?
Good morning. I slept well, thank you. How about you?
I slept well too. Good afternoon. Did you have a good lunch?
Good afternoon. Yes, I had a great lunch. Are you ready for the day?
Yes, I am. Good evening. How was your day?
Good evening. My day was productive. Thanks for asking.
That's great to hear. Good night, Alice. See you tomorrow.
Good night, Sarah. See you tomorrow.
Remember, you both can say,
Hi.
Hi.
or
Hello.
Hello.
Hey.
Hey.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
or double greetings, like, hi, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hey, good morning. Hi, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. Hey, good afternoon. Hi, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hey, good evening. Thank you for joining the English Basics lesson on greetings. We've explored various types of greetings, including general, situational, time-specific, cultural variations, and context-based greetings. Remember, greetings are an essential part of everyday communication, and understanding the nuances can help you connect better with people from different backgrounds. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be greeting everyone with confidence and charm. Happy learning!